Welcome to Kids and Toddlers, where we learn about the alphabet in a fun and exciting way.
A is for apple, a fruit so sweet. Oh yeah. B is for ball, let's kick off our feet. Ooh. C is for cat, with whiskers so neat. Ooh. D is for dog, wagging his tail a treat. Ooh. Sing along with me, the ABCs. Learning and laughing, come join the spree. From A to Z, let's explore the possibilities. In the world of letters, our minds roam free. Roam free. E is for elephant, big and brave. Oh yeah. F is for fish, swim all day. Ooh. G is for guitar, let's strum and play. Ooh. H is for helmet, keeping us safe each day. Ooh. Ooh. Sing along with me, the ABCs. Learning and laughing, come join the spree. From A to Z, let's explore the possibilities. In the world of letters, our minds roam free. Roam free. E is for elephant, big and gray. Oh yeah. F is for fish, swimming all day. G is for guitar, let's strum and play. H is for helmet, keeping us safe each day. I is for ice cream, J is for jug, K is for kite, L is for lion, M is for monkey, N is for net, O is for orange, P is for parrot, Q is for quail, R is for rabbit, S is for sun, T is for tree, U is for umbrella, V is for van, W is for watch, X is for xylophone, Y is for yacht, Z is for zebra. D is for zebra, U is for umbrella, V is for van, W is for watch, X is for xylophone, Y is for yacht, Z is for zebra. Sing along, we've learned A to Z, now we know our ABC so easily. With fun and song, we've had our run learning letters one by one. Sing along, our ABCs we've sung from A to Z. Every letter we wrote, now it's time to say goodbye. But we'll keep learning, you and you and I.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an episode. Thanks for watching.